Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CoinGecko application on your iOS device. So in order to download CoinGecko on your iPhone, first of all go ahead and open your App Store and then type in CoinGecko in the search box. Once you find this application, tap on the download button or the install button to start downloading CoinGecko crypto tracker and NFT application on your preferred mobile device. Wait for a couple of minutes, and once it is done with the download process, tap on the open button to open the app on your device. Go ahead and sign up using your email and password, or continue signing up with Google or Apple ID and get started with CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a popular cryptocurrency data platform that provides real-time information on a vast range of cryptocurrencies. It was established in 2014. It offers a wealth of data including price tracking, market cap, trading volume, and price charts for thousands of cryptocurrencies. So that's how you download and install CoinGecko app on your mobile device. Whether it is your iPhone or your Android device, the download process is quite simple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.